Welcome to the vlog. Anyway, today it's Abby's birthday, September 7th, I believe. Like, sub, comment, share, and follow. Be a voice, not an echo. There's only one of you. Do what others won't. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we just got to the house. We are going to, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Pepe's Pizza, but that's where we're going tonight. So, I'm actually driving with Mammy and Poppy, so I don't have to drive. Thank you guys. Anyway, we're gonna run inside and it's supposed to go. I'm really late, so let's go inside. Birthday! Happy birthday, Abby. Happy birthday, Abby. Birthday video. Happy birthday. Birthday video. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Abby.
Happy birthday.
You're welcome.
My hair's wet because I just took a shower. It's not like sweat or something.
Yeah, right.
Hi. I drew this GTR. Wow.
Wow. What else you gotta say? Yeah, I'm going to Mammy and Papa's car. What of it?
Hey. Got $2 bill. Actually, yesterday I saw a GTR.
He's dabbing on him.
Hi, Nader. So JTiGs is a hater. So.
Wow. Well, I think my camera just broke. I don't know. That's actually really annoying. I don't know what it is.
Oh my god. We have to find out what this is.
Really?
You really don't hear this.
Abby.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Hey!
Gotta make a wish.
Can we have a little crowd participation? Hey!
Okay guys, so this is where we end the video. I'm about to go home and he's cleaning his nose.
That's me.
Anyway, I'm about to go home. Happy birthday, Abby. Hope you had a good one. Pizza was good. Alright, that's where we end it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really don't know how bright this is. Whatever. If you guys did enjoy, thank you. We'll get you on another one. And this is really bright. I got my iPhone lighting up for lighting. Anyway, guys, be a voice, not an echo. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and follow. And, oh yeah.